Okay. The last question was related to the greenhouse effect, and I think last option was the unnatural phenomena that causes heat energy to be radiated back into the atmosphere. So, what could be the answer? Obviously, its answer is the natural phenomena that maintains Earth's temperature range. Right. So that's what you can have the greenhouse effect. Earth has three main zones because of the difference in latitude and this might be having something, some logical things in this one, but I think you can apply. Okay, so answer is angle of hitting. Keep in mind, the sun rays falling at an angle to the surface of Earth is always important as far as temperature of the Earth is concerned. The unequal heating of the Earth's surface is right. So, which drives wind and ocean currents, causes winds that transport heat throughout the biosphere, has important effects on Earth's climate regions, and you can consider all the above. So, what could be your answer? So your answer is all the above because uh, unequal heating of Earth will drive wind and ocean currents, obviously, causes wind and sea vertical and horizontal currents in the atmosphere you have considered. And there are hot ocean currents and cold ocean currents. Then it causes winds that transport heat throughout the biosphere. It has important effect on Earth's climate at different regions. Each of the following in biotic factor of the environment except so plant life, soil type, rainfall, and temperature. So among these, which one is not part, right? Except which among these? Obviously, answer is plant life. See, soil type is there, rainfall is there, temperature is there, so you can consider the plant life. So, which is a biotic factor that affects the of population in a specific ecosystem. average temperature of the system ecosystem, type of soil in the ecosystem, number and kinds of predators in the ecosystem, concentration of oxygen in the ecosystem. What could be the answer? The answer is number and kinds of predators in the ecosystem. An interaction in which the organism captures and feeds on another organism, which is called so the answer is predation. Predation. Different species can slope the same habitat, same habitat, but competition among them is reduced to reproduce at different times, eat less, move away, occupy different niches. What could be answer? Aditya, Ayush, Uddhav, Aditya Bhingare, Aditya Suryavanshi, Prathamesh, Ritesh, Shardul, Tanishk, Vaibhav. Is there anyone who is attending this session? Okay, so its answer is occupy different niches. Series of predictable hinges that occurs in a community, time is called population growth, ecological succession, climax community, climate change. Which one?
Option C.
Option C, climax community. Okay. Aditya is also going with option C. Okay, someone else? So the series of predictable changes that occurs in the community, right? That time is called as ecological succession. Which of the following occurs during the ecological succession of an ecosystem? So answers are: an ecosystem reaches a final unchanging stage. Changes occur that are caused by organisms outside the ecosystem. See how difficult it is, right, to cope up with the question, to understand the meaning of question, and to cope up with the options given. Now you can understand the gravity. Right? So see, you will be finding out a series of words. That doesn't mean that the answer is that much difficult. No, ultimately it depends on your understanding. So each and every question, right, Rather, every question is completely depending on whatever we have gone through. Altogether, the thing is that only this might have gone for 3-4 days back, but if I could have gone for these questions before knowing or before going through atmosphere, probably that might not lead you to a proper understanding. So for that purpose, after going through these two topics, biosphere and atmosphere, then I have decided to go for these questions. And this will tell you a the gems of the questions, right? So what kind of questions you will be having, or what sort of nature of the questions will be there. So third option is the living organisms modify their environment a little at a time. Parts of communities split off to form new communities. I know there are some of the things which you haven't come across. For example, but what exactly community that we have considered, that we have gone through, right? So it is not a question that you have not gone through these things. You have gone through these things, right? So that is what you need to uh, pay the attention. So answer is living organisms modify their environment a little at a time. So which of the following occurs during the ecological succession of ecosystem? That is, living organisms modify their environment a little at a time. Which biome is characterized by very temperatures, little precipitation, and a permafrost? So answer is tundra. Next one is the biome is identified as its particular set of abiotic factors and its average precipitation and temperature, characteristic ecological community, distance from the equator, specific geographical location. So among these, which one would be the probable answer? So answer is the characteristics ecological community. Right. Which organisms live where it is routinely exposed to air, heat, waves, currents, and often submerged? Sea stars, tube worms, dolphins, whales. The answer is sea stars. Right. So that's what we do have in this particular approaching to a time. I will stop here. You can just think that at what level of preparation is required. Right? I'm not asking you to only for from your side or from my side. Right? I wanted you to just to have a some sort of revisiting, right? Almost everything is being presented to you. You have to just connect some of the things, right? You can आपण म्हणतो ना चिंतन मनन केलं पाहिजे. So you require only that particular point, nothing else. Okay, thank you everyone. I will stop here. Have a good day.